In this video, we listed the 5 best mechanical keyboards that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Keychron Q2 Max Mechanical Keyboard. The Keychron Q2 Max is a premium, customizable 65% layout mechanical keyboard designed for gaming and office use. It boasts versatile connectivity options including 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.1, supporting up to 3 devices, and USB-C wired, all with a high polling rate for responsive performance. Constructed from CNC machined aluminum, it offers a robust and aesthetically pleasing design. Key features include QMK, via programmability for key remapping, hot swappable switches, RGB backlighting, compatibility with both Mac and Windows, with dedicated keycaps, and acoustic foams for enhanced sound and feel. Number 2. Razer Pro Ultra Mechanical Keyboard. The Razer wireless keyboard is designed for maximum productivity with minimum sound. Featuring silent mechanical switches, sound dampening foam, and durable construction, it offers a quiet and long-lasting typing experience ideal for office or home use. Ergonomically designed for comfort, it boasts soft-touch keycaps, a cushioned wrist rest, and the ability to connect and switch between up to 4 devices. Users can customize the keyboard to streamline their workflow by remapping keys, recording macros, and creating personal shortcuts. Razer Hyperspeed technology provides wireless freedom and helps keep workspaces clutter-free by allowing compatible mice to connect to the same dongle. Number 3. Nuffy Air 75 V2. The Nuffy Air 75 V2 is a compact, 84-key wireless mechanical keyboard designed for versatility and aesthetics. It features a translucent bottom shell, a high-quality aluminum frame and supports connectivity via Bluetooth 5.1, 2.4 GHz, and USB-C, allowing seamless switching between up to 4 devices and compatibility with multiple operating systems. The keyboard boasts customizable RGB backlighting with side light bars for system status indicators, QMK, via support for advanced customization, and long battery life, complemented by durable PBT keycaps for a comfortable typing experience. Number 4. RK Royal Cludge RK61. The RK Royal Cludge RK61 is a compact, 61-key mechanical gaming keyboard offering versatile connectivity through Bluetooth 5.0, a 2.4 GHz dongle, and USB-C wired modes. Designed for everyday use, it features a single-color backlit LED with 17 dynamic modes, a hot swappable PCB for easy switch replacement, and a high-capacity battery providing up to 13 hours of continuous use. With its 60% layout favored by FPS gamers for maximizing mouse space, the RK61 blends a modern aesthetic with classic functionality, and supports DIY software for customization. Number 5. Nuffy Field75 HE. The Nuffy Field75 HE is a grey, 83-key magnetic switch gaming keyboard designed for laptops, PCs, and tablets, offering USB-C connectivity and compatibility with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Its key features include customizable RGB backlighting and magnetic switches utilizing Hall effect sensors for rapid trigger and an 8000 Hz polling rate. With the NUPHYIO software, users can adjust key travel from 0.1 to 4.0 mm, or 0.1 to 3.3 mm for specific switch types, customize rapid trigger settings, and configure dynamic keystrokes for multiple functions per key press. The keyboard also offers different modes that can be selected by a switch.